Hello everybody, it is here at last, the thing I have been talking about. This is the XP Pen Artist 12, which I'm doing an unboxing of, and you may see this as an unboxing video, or I may decide to hold on to this for the review, which I've done. This I ordered this week. I have been very excited for this. The box is a little bashed, but I think that just happened in delivery. And this is my new drawing tablet. I'm trying to do some more art on the channel, and some animations and things like that, things I think would be kind of interesting. So I've picked up one of these. This is a 12-inch drawing display tablet. Comes in a very fancy box, actually. Nice and swish. I did not. This is technically used, but it is actually like A grade. So from the place I bought it. So inside it should all be nice and new. We have some protective foam rubber for ease of transit, and we have. Let's see. Let's check this out. I haven't actually seen what's in here yet. So we have a piece of card with a circle in it, which is essential for all your drawing needs. Pop it over there. And here we have the tablet itself, as you can see, still in its original wrap. I'm going to assume, unless someone who's bought this and is very good at wrapping up, with the service number, if you wish to contact them for service, which is good. Please remove the protective film before use. I will remember to do that. I'm not going to take that out just yet, because, like I said, I'm going to do a video review of this later on. And I'll show in more detail the tablet itself and the features. But there it is. If you're curious about the size, that's the drawing size, goes to about there. So pretty big if you're used to traditional kind of just drawing Wakens. Then we have some bump, some documentation, quick start guide. And the patented drawing glove, so that you do not smear on that. This is a very strange shape, explicit almost. And a little screen wipe. All that stuff. I have no idea, by the way, how well this is showing up. I cannot see what I am recording, so hopefully this is showing well. An anti-static wipe, and my cat meowing. She's about to appear. You may hear her in a moment. She'll be guest appearing. Then you have plugs. This is your power plug here. And then you have your kind of regionals, which I guess they just make these. It's easier to just make one for every region and then ship them. So for me, in the UK, here she is, my cat. She's come to investigate. You can just do this, I guess. Yeah, so you got your plug. And if you decide to take your tablet to the US, you can. Or your cat, too, in this very handy box. And then, this is the pen. This is the pen holder, which comes with 8 nibs. I've seen these on the Tinternet. If you unscrew this top here, you have your nibs, replacement nibs, which you need. Nibs are a necessity. And the pen, I believe, is in here. This is my first time getting a hold on one of these XP Pen pens. There it is. I think that's a little smaller than the one on my Intuos. Nice, feels comfortable. It's hexagonal like a pencil. And then that becomes a pen holder and goes in there. And last but not least, the cables. The all-important... I don't know how to get in here. The all-important but sealed cables to connect it to your computer, which includes... Let's take this down here. I hope I'm getting this stuff on screen. I apologize if I'm not. Alright, you have here, if you're on a Mac, that's an HDMI adapter for the Mac's little display ports. Then you have a 3-way cable here, which is... Whoop. That goes into the tablet. That's USB-C, and then HDMI and 2 USB powers. So make sure you got power there. I'm guessing if you actually had a USB-C to USB-C cable and USB-C on your laptop, you could probably just plug that straight in, and then USB extension. So there you go. I'll be making some more videos with this later on, but for now, this is my pile of assorted drawing crap, and I'll be putting it to good use soon. And there you go. That's the XP Pen Artist 12 unboxing. Possibly going to be uploaded as part of a review, possibly on its own. You already know this. I don't know. You know. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.